Guys, I just stumbled across a platform that literally broke my brain today. What if I told you that you can build your own fully playable mobile game just by typing a prompt? And no, I am not talking about spending 40 hours arguing with Claude or writing Python code in Cursor. I am talking about a platform that is literally the TikTok for AI games. You type a prompt, it builds the game, you publish it to a social feed, you get millions of views, and wait for it, you can actually start earning real money from it. I know, it sounds like massive clickbait, but I promise you it's not.
The platform we are talking about is called Astrocade. When you go to their website, it literally looks like a social media feed. Creators are uploading their games and people are playing them, liking them, and leaving comments. I spent way too much time actually playing these games myself. They are super addictive. First things first, you need to log in and create an account. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How do you actually make money? If you scroll down to their career opportunities or creator section, it breaks down the whole monetization system. The eligibility criteria is surprisingly simple. You just need 100,000 plays on your games in the last 30 days. Honestly, on a viral swipe-based platform like this, that is totally doable. And if you go check their official Discord community, you will literally see real people posting their earnings. So yeah, this is 100% genuine. Speaking of Discord, do not skip this step. Join their Discord and accept the invite. This is where you can chat with the community, ask questions when you get stuck, and see all the official updates. All right, let's actually build a game. Head over to the Create tab. Here, you'll see your studio, which holds all your analytics, comments, and notifications. But right next to it is the most important button, Learn. I know we all hate reading manuals, but trust me, click on the top article here. It gives you a massive breakdown on how to build a game from scratch. It tells you to figure out your genre, action, horror, casual, your win conditions, how does the player get points, and your target audience. It also gives you the ultimate prompt template. Create a genre game where the player, core action, make it optimized for vertical 9:16 mobile screens with big touch-friendly buttons. This app is primarily designed for mobile screens, so that 9:16 vertical instruction is super important. So using their template, I came up with an idea. Create an endless runner game where a muscular fitness guy runs through a gym, jumps over barbells, dodges falling dumbbells, and collects glowing protein shakes. Big touch buttons for jump and slide. Optimized for 9:16. But I want this to be epic, so I went over to Grok to flesh it out. I pasted my base prompt and said, I want to make this engaging. Give me a bird's eye view. Make it mobile friendly but playable on PC. Add instructions button. Add drop shadows so the jumps look natural. And here's the cool part. When he collects a protein shake, his size actually gets bigger. Add scorecards and levels. Grok is an absolute beast. It spit out a step-by-step breakdown with exact prompts to feed into Astrocade. So I'm going to copy the very first step 1 foot prompt and head back to the game engine. Inside Astrocade, I click Create New and paste that Grok prompt right into the box. I hit Generate and it quickly builds a template. I click Create, it opens a new tab, and boom! It is coding the game right in front of my eyes. Let's play it and see how it looks. Okay, well, it works, but it's a little rough. There are definitely some mistakes. But this is where Astrocade's magic feature comes in, wishes. You basically just type a wish to modify the game. I go back to Grok, grab the step 2 feet modification prompt, and paste it into my wish box. Now, you will see 2 models here, fast and smart. To use the smart model, you have to apply in their Discord, so for now, we are just going to use the fast model. I hit generate and it starts editing the live game code. Okay, nice. The gym background looks way better now. Massive pro tip, guys. Grok gave me a bunch of modification prompts. Do not copy and paste them all at once. The AI will literally have a panic attack. Paste them one by one. Add a wish, let it generate, test it, then add the next wish. It takes a little more time, but the result is 10x better. After adding my wishes, the game is definitely improving, but we have a hilarious problem. My muscular gym bro is literally facing the wrong way while running. He's moonwalking towards the dumbbells. Plus, the background music is way too loud. So here is the ultimate cheat code. I simply take a screenshot of the buggy game, go back to Grok, upload the image, and type, "This is how the game looks. The character is facing towards us. He needs to face the dumbbells. Also, lower the music, give my guy a weapon, and add enemies. Make the enemies use steroids to harm my character, and make the level super long." Grok analyzes the screenshot and gives me the exact wish prompts needed to fix the bugs. I paste them into Astrocade one by one, and guys, look at the gameplay now. This is actually so fun to play. The character is facing the right way, the obstacles are working, the protein shakes look juicy. It is a legit mobile game. Once you are perfectly happy with your masterpiece, just click publish and hit submit for review. Astrocade's team actually manually reviews these to keep the garbage off the platform. So please, make sure your game is actually fun and engaging before you submit it. Once approved, it goes straight to the home feed for millions of people to swipe on. But if you want to speed up your approval and get some instant players, click the share icon, copy your game URL, and head straight back to their Discord. Create a new post with a catchy title, a fun description, and your link. This gets the community playing and reviewing your game immediately. I highly recommend you guys spend some time in that Discord because you will learn so much from the other developers there. I'm going to leave the link to my new Gym Bro Runner game in the description and the pinned comment. Go play it and see if you can beat my high score.